The crab walk. We're going to start by moving forward and back only, not side to side. And in learning how to go forward and back, it's going to teach our legs and our arms when to push off and when to pull back in that movement. So like we did for the crab setup, you're going to have your fingers pointing out close to the hips, roll your shoulders up, back, and then pull them down and push into the floor. My hips will come up off the ground. We don't have to go too high to begin, so keep the hips low. To teach this, we'll start with the right foot. You're going to step the right foot forward and using that right heel or the foot, depending what's on the ground, pull your body forward. My hips come forward. Opposite hand steps, left hand. Now I step with the left foot. Left heel goes forward. I use the heel or the foot, depending what's on the ground, to pull my hips forward. I push with the hands. Right hand, opposite hand comes forward. Continue on. Right foot, right heel pulls me forward. Left hand, left heel, foot pulls me forward. Right hand. So to walk backwards, we do hand, then foot. So the right hand's leading, so the opposite foot pushes, brings that left foot in. Left hand leads, my right foot's further away, so I'm going to push, bring my hips closer to my hands. Right foot steps. Right hand, push my hips close to my arms. Left foot drops in. Left hand leads, push away with my right foot steps in. This will take time to get it into your body. Just remember when you're going forward, your legs pull you forward. Left foot pulls me. Right foot pulls me. And when I go back, the hand that leads, left hand, the opposite foot's going to push and allow my hips to come back. Right. Right hand, so my left foot pushes me back, steps in. Left hand, right foot pushes me back. Right foot, right hand, left foot pushes me back. Left foot, left hand, right foot pushes me back. Eventually, you'll be able to move with the hips higher off the floor, and the body will understand how to do it. Enjoy playing around with the crab walk.